Hello everybody! We're going to show you how to make Quŋulliq jelly. This is what Quŋulliq looks like on the nana.
Quŋulliq in English is mountain sorrel. It is high in vitamin C and it's a delicacy in our Inupiat culture. You can eat the leaves right off the stem. It's very sour and people relate it to the taste of grape skins. You can also gather the leaves and store in seal oil in the freezer for later consumption. You can eat it with meat, both boiled and dried. It's a really good combination. A lot of people like to add their greens into Quŋulliq, which is dried seal meat in seal oil. So for Quŋulliq jelly, we are going to be picking the leaves, which look like this. And we are also going to be picking the flowers and stems, which look like this.
After picking, you'll take all the grass out and then you could wash it. Use a strainer to make sure all the dust is off. Next, you'll measure 3 cups of leaves, flowers, and stems. Add 4.5 cups of water. Cook the flowers until they look like this. They should lose their color. The water should become a very pretty red. Now strain the juice. Look how gorgeous! Look how pretty it is now. Look how gorgeous! Add lemon juice to your liking. Lemon juice brightens up the color. Add pectin. You could add a little bit of butter to reduce foam bubbles. Bring to a royal boil. Rolling boil. Add 4 cups of sugar. Then boil for 1 minute. Fill jelly jars. Then water bath for 10 minutes. Let jelly set for 24 hours. Got this pretty jelly! Oh my gosh, I want some now.